morning, children. How are you all? I hope you have done your formative assessment 1 in a good manner. Children, today we are going to start with a new prose, that is Jamaican Fragment. So, Jamaican Fragment lesson is written by A.L. Hendricks, and there is a short description about A.L. Hendricks. He is a prolific writer. Some of his short stories appeared in the issues of the magazine Focus. He is a West Indian writer, and his writings carry the flavor inherent in the Caribbean literature. The story Jamaican Fragment brings out the prejudice that almost every person suffers from when it comes to the denominational issues like color, caste, and class. So, what is this, children? Like the story Jamaican Fragment brings out the prejudice that almost every person suffers from when it comes to the denomination issues, like you can see the color like black and white, you can see the caste, the depressed classes and the higher classes, even the class. So as I said you all, so there are many types of categories as we all know. A.L. Hendricks is a West Indian writer. He describes his experience and learnings from the incident of two boys were playing as a master and servant. Okay. So here, children, the first paragraph says here, every day I walk a half mile from my home to the rail track lines in the morning, and from the lines to my home in the evening. The walk is pleasant. You can see on either side red and green roofed bungalows, green lawns and gardens. The exercise is good for me, and now and then I learn something from a little incident. One morning, about halfway between my front gate and the rail track, I noticed two boys playing in the garden of the more modest cottages. They were both very... Children, what does the first paragraph say here? The author, A.L. Hendricks, the writer, we call him as a writer or the speaker of the lesson. The writer daily walks half a mile from his home to the railway station and return in the evening. So every time what does the writer do here? He walks half a mile from his home to the railway station in the morning, and he will be back home in the evening. Here the walk is pleasant, children. How was the walk here? He used to enjoy his walk. He was very happy with his walk. For him, because of the good surroundings, he used to have a very good surroundings. He used to see the red and green roofed bungalows, and whenever he used to go for walk, he used to see the green lawns as well as the garden, and the exercise is good for me. What does he says here? The writer says walking was a good experience for him because he learned something from a little incident. He had to learn something in a small incident which took place in front of his eyes. So here, what does the second paragraph says here? One morning, about halfway between my front gate and the rail tracks. So what happened? One morning, when he was going for a walk, that too, he noticed two boys playing in the garden of the modest cottages. So he saw two boys playing in the modest cottage. One was a strong black boy. He was a very strong black boy. He might be a age, not might be, he is a age group of age of 5 years, and another was a white boy. He was 4 years old. These two boys were dressed in blue shirts and khaki pants, children. The little white boy commanded his bigger playmate. The who was in white color, his 4 years boy, he commanded the 5-year-old boy, though his color was black, and the white boy ordered the black boy to pick up a stick, jump into the flowers, get some water, etc., etc. The black boy, he had to follow his orders very faithfully. So what happened here? One morning, he noticed two boys playing